of the subfloor and looking kind of. I had great flooring here. Nice, very nice. All has to be ripped out. Of course, I can get it. Now I have to see if those or any other store has something actually in the store. But I looked online and I usually have to wait between each day. 1 to 2 weeks. Yep. Let's go. Dining room. Yeah, that's my dining room. I can't turn on the light because the circuit breaker will rip. Another fan. Open, but it closes because the fan is blowing. Another fan. Another dehumidifier which blows hot air, and right now we have 86 degrees. It's climbing steadily. Yesterday it was 94. Another fan, but this one doesn't work anymore. I have no clue why. Yes, it's unplugged, but I unplugged it. And I noticed it doesn't work anymore. Here is a zipper where we could go through, but that is ripped already. See, it's ripped. Look, that doesn't work. I can go out. As you can hear, see, this is behind this plug is the space for the refrigerator. So the water dripped into the wall. You can see it over here, up to here. That's 2/3 of the living room. And then further inland. Yep, up to here. That's half our living room. See, isn't that nice? Oh, raisins, yeah, we